In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Cloudflare cache. Whether you're updating your website or troubleshooting loading issues, clearing your cache is a straightforward yet essential task. So, let's dive right in and get your site running smoothly again. First things first, you'll need to log into your Cloudflare account. Head over to dash.cloudflare.com. If you haven't already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Take a moment to ensure that your username and password are correct to avoid any pesky login issues. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Cloudflare dashboard, the central hub for managing all your sites and settings. Now, take a look around and locate the domain or website that you want to work with. You might have several domains if you're managing multiple projects, so make sure you select the one where you need to clear the cache. This step is crucial, as Cloudflare settings are configured on a per-domain basis. With your domain selected, direct your attention to the main menu. Here, navigate to the section called Caching. This is where all your caching settings and options are stored. Once you click on Caching, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose Configuration to move forward. Now, you're just a click away from clearing your cache. In the Configuration section, you'll find an option labeled Purge Everything. Before you click it, take a second to consider what this means. Purge Everything might sound a bit intense, but it simply refers to removing all cached files. This comprehensive clear-out is perfect for times when you've made significant changes to your site, and you need those modifications to be reflected immediately for all your users. When you click on Purge Everything, you'll usually be prompted to confirm this action. This safeguard is in place to ensure that you really want to proceed, as clearing the cache can temporarily impact your site's loading speed. But don't worry, this is just a temporary effect, and often the benefits of having up-to-date content far outweigh the brief inconvenience. Once you've confirmed, give Cloudflare a moment to process the request. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the cache has been successfully cleared. And that's it. Your changes should now be visible, and your site will serve the latest version of your content to all visitors. Clearing your Cloudflare cache is as simple as that. By following these steps, you ensure that your website is always displaying the most recent updates. Thanks for tuning in, and now you're well equipped to take control of your website's caching settings.